Hi, Marc Grossman here. I'm a partner of the Sanders firm. I'm one of the founding partners of the firm. I joined here in 1997, and then 6 years ago I took over as the managing partner. I went to law school in Brooklyn Law School. I did a joint program where I graduated with my JD MBA in 1993. My baby was in a Mommy and Me class with my wife, and they met Stanley's daughter, and the kids became best friends, and I ultimately got to know Stanley and realized that we had a common vision. When I joined here, I took over managing most of the complex litigation, and ultimately the firm expanded into mass torts and several other areas of practice that I was able to supervise. Initially, I wanted to figure out how I could help people, and I started off doing personal injury, and I could help clients sort of one at a time. And then after I got exposed to toxic cases where a building would have mold poisoning or multiple children in that building would be the victims of lead poisoning, I realized that I got a lot more joy out of being able to help large groups of people. And now I filed the most class actions in the United States last year. So I try to help millions of people each year. My vision is to help as many people as possible. I'm a member of the Nassau County Bar Association, part of the Mass Torts Lawyers Association, and then I was voted president of the Trial Lawyers of Puerto Rico. I've been trying to expand that platform, not just from Puerto Rico, but also here in New York. We are trying to allow for more people to have access to attorneys and be able to afford attorneys than they currently can. We've been helping people since 1966, about 2 years before I was born. So I have the benefit of continuing the legacy of the Sanders firm here in New York.